Hello and welcome to another video in quantitative chemistry, amount of substance, where today we are going to work out the concentration in moles decimeter cubed. Now, before we even start this question, we need to know one important equation, and that is concentration equals moles divided by volume. And the volume also has to be in decimeter cubed. So it always has to be in decimeter cubed. So to convert from centimeter cubed to decimeter cubed, you just divide by 1000. Okay, so now that that's sorted, let's take a look at the question. We have 25 centimeter cubed of hydrochloric acid, which is being reacted with 23.5 centimeter cubed of 0.1 moles decimeter cubed of barium hydroxide solution. Now, straight away, we can work out the moles of barium hydroxide because we have the concentration and we have the volume. The only problem is the volume is in centimeter cubed. So to convert this into decimeter cubed, we just got to divide it by 1000. Okay, now that we've converted the volume into decimeter cubed, we also now need to rearrange this equation so that we can get moles as the subject. And moles equals concentration times volume. So we get the concentration, which is 0.1, times by the volume, which is 0.0235, and that gives us the moles, which if you plug that into your calculator, you should get 0.00235 moles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write moles on the side over here. And for barium hydroxide, I'm going to put 0.00235. Okay. Now, using this, we can work out the moles of hydrochloric acid straight away because they are in the ratio 2 to 1. Because barium hydroxide, even though it doesn't have any number before it, like hydrochloric acid has, it still has an invisible 1 that we just don't write. So since it's in the ratio 2 to 1, to get from 1 to 2, we times by 2, right? 1 times 2 is 2. So we do the same. To find the moles of hydrochloric acid, we times 0.00235 by 2, which gives us 0.0047. So that is the moles of hydrochloric acid. Now, since we know the moles of hydrochloric acid, we can now work out the concentration of hydrochloric acid because we have the moles and we also have the volume, which is right here. So again, we need to convert 25 centimeter cubed to decimeter cubed, which we do by just dividing by 1000. Now we just simply plug the values into the equation. So concentration of hydrochloric acid equals moles, which is 0.0047, divided by 0.025, and that gives us 0.188. And that is how we work out the concentration in moles decimeter cubed.